Hi, this is Smart Academy. I am giving physics classes for all physics sentences. Today I am discussing about Coulomb's law. What is Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law is nothing but the force between two charged particles is proportional to magnitude of charges, product of magnitude of charges, and inversely proportional to the distance between two charges. So I am discussing in this video problems on Coulomb's law. The Coulomb force between two alpha particles we have to find, which are separated by a distance of 3.2 Fermi, Fermi in air. So I am discussing here, we have two alpha particles, they are separated by a distance r. Alpha is 2 alpha is 2 helium 4. This is a 2 is nothing but 2 charged electrons. So that means the charge of alpha particle is 2 electrons charge. That is equal to 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. The charge unit is coulomb here, then we will get 3.2 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The charge of alpha particle. So we have known now the charge of alpha particle, we know here the distance between two charged particles, that is equal to 3.2 Fermi. So that is equal to 3.2 Fermi is nothing but 10 power minus 15 meter. Fermi is nothing but 3.2 into Fermi is nothing but 10 power minus 15 meter, that is distance 3.2 Fermi means 3.2 10 power minus 15. So we have now two values. Now the force, the Coulomb's, according to Coulomb's law, if force is K into Q1 Q2 by R square, F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon value 9 into 10 power 9 is substituted here. The Q1 first alpha particle charge 3.2 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, 3.2 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. The distance between two alpha particles 3.2 into 10 power minus 15, r square means whole square. See here 9 into 10 power 9, 3.2 10 power minus 38, 3.2 into 3.2 into 10 power minus 30 will get cancelled. 9 into 10 power 9, 10 power minus 38, 30. Just we'll get here 10 power minus 8, 10 power 9, 10 power minus 8 plus 9 into 10. We'll get 90 Newton. So the force between two alpha particles which are separated by a distance 3.2 Fermi, the force of attraction or repulsion 90 Newton. Here first we have to come to conclude charge distance. The one more is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value 9 into 10 power 9. We substitute here, we will get the force in SI units, that is 19 newtons.